My name's Joe Stanley. I'm from Southern Oregon, Rogue Valley, and just out here getting some education on training on a reconditioning specialist.
My name's Gilbert Gonzalez. I currently came out here from Denver, Colorado. I went and got my windows tinted, and I saw the guy I did my tint, rented a spot in a shop that did ceramic coating and stuff like that. I'm like, well, it's something I wanted to think about doing, and I might as well learn how to do it myself and make money instead of paying someone else to do it for me. I've detailed for body shops, I've painted, I've done body work. Experience, I've got about 20 years of doing it. I talked to my business partner because we were wanting to do a auto spa, complete from mechanics to detailing. And then the next day when I was looking up stuff, I found Rightlook on Facebook. So I went on the website, put my information in, and Oscar called me. And then we talked and communicated via email a few times, and then I was like, let's do it.
So naturally in high school, I've always had a really clean car, real organized individual. So it's kind of part of my character. And you know, I've been in part of other industries, and I haven't fully enjoyed it. So I had to find a motive to go into something else. My buddy, my roommate, he's like, man, you always have a clean whip, dude. Like, you're organized, like, why don't you go into that? So here I am putting the dots together and making it happen. Ruben, man, he's such a great teacher. He's patient, he's hands-on, but he also steps back. He really lets you do your thing. He's so chill. Like, I love just like coming and learning from him. He's been doing it for a long time, and he knows what he's doing, and it shows.
He explains it makes it simple for everybody to understand. You know, from exterior, interior, it's a lot different. Techniques are a lot easier, more in detail, in depth. Today's technology is a lot different. You know, you're using a smaller actual polisher. It's going faster. It's less work, it seems like. And they do, to me, it seems like they're doing a better job.
Because what you want to do is you want to saturate, or you want to load the actual applicator pad. So it seems like a lot, but it's really not.
There's a difference between a professional detailer and a reconditioning specialist. I've been trained by the best in the industry, and I'm looking to offer that service to car enthusiasts in my area.
I give Rightlook a 10 plus. The instructor, the staff, they're all hands-on. The owner of the company actually emailed me personally to thank me for choosing the school and taking an interest in his company. So everybody's been like, treat you like a family member, basically.
Yeah.